Ready na ba kayo sumama sa ride? At tikman ang famous triple chocolate champurrado ng Antipolo. At higit sa lahat, tuklasin ang nagtatagong ganda ng ilog ng Impanta. Good morning guys! Papunta tayo ngayon sa isang sikat na kainan para dayuhin ang kanilang sikat na champurrado. At dito lang ay matatagpuan sa Bistro by Leblanc. Alright guys, sobrang solid ng pagkain dito. Dahil busog na tayo, full tank naman tayo ng motor sa may shed. And after natin magpagas, ready na tayong sumabak sa Marilake. Grabe sakit ang puwit ko. Pagkatapos ng 2 oras na biyahe, narating natin ang Arco ng Impanta. Gariel Speak! Plano din sana namin kumain dito, magmerienda, kaso lang, grabe pa yung busog namin hanggang ngayon. Good morning guys, another day, another trip na naman. And dalobat pala kami kagabi kaya di ko na kayo na-update sa pagdating namin sa Impanta. Today November 1, pupunta kami ngayon sa isang sementeryo dito. And after that, try natin puntahan yung sinasabi nilang ilog. Ayan na agad yung ilog guys. Tignan natin kung gaano pa kalayo yung pupuntahan natin. Pagkatapos ng matinding off-road, ito na yung bubungad sa'yo. Pero pa tayo doon dahil medyo mababaw lang yung ilog dito.
Dahan-dahan mama.
Ayan na, maganda yung ilog. Pero tuloy pa rin yung lakad natin. Tuloy pa rin yung lakad kasi medyo malayo-layo pa ang konti. Tatawid pa pala tayo ng ilog. Sarap liguan, malinaw yung tubig. Eto, meron ulit bagong ilog. Basta experience, madam.
Grabe adventure naman ito. Wait. Naku! Ho! No! Kailangan pantalon.
Alright, ito na yung spot natin guys. Mas pinili na namin dito dahil sakto lang yung lalim at safe na safe para sa mga bata.
Gusto mo maliit
batang yun o, aakyat. Tapos tatalon yan dyan. So yan, pauwi na tayo at dumadami na yung tao. Ah, ang ganda rito, men. Nagtagpo yung dalawang ilog.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised